Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to sell on eBay using ChatGPT. If you've ever tried selling on eBay, you know that writing the perfect title, description, and pricing your item correctly can be harder than it looks. That's exactly where ChatGPT comes in. It can help you generate optimized titles, detailed descriptions, and even suggest pricing strategies in seconds. Instead of guessing what works, you can use AI to guide your listing and make it more attractive to buyers. First, go to eBay and log into your account. Click on Sell, then click on List an item. You'll now see a search bar where you usually type what you're selling. Before typing anything into eBay, open ChatGPT. Now enter a prompt like, write an eBay title and description for a used iPad in good condition. ChatGPT will generate a title and description for you. Copy the title it gives you. Now go back to eBay and paste that title into the search bar. The title is extremely important because it affects how your item appears in search results. A well-written title increases visibility and clicks. After entering the title, eBay will guide you through listing your item. Select the category, condition, brand, and model. Fill in all the required fields. When you reach the description section, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the description it generated earlier. Paste it into the description box on eBay. If you're unsure about pricing, go back to ChatGPT and ask, what's a good price to sell a used iPad in good condition on eBay? ChatGPT will give you a price range. Use this as a reference, then compare with actual listings on eBay to stay competitive. To improve visibility, ask ChatGPT, what are the best eBay keywords for a used iPad? It will suggest keywords you can include in the title or description. Keywords help your listing appear when buyers search for similar items. If you want help describing the condition, ask ChatGPT. Copy and paste that into your listing. This makes your item clearer and builds buyer trust. Once everything is filled in, review your title, check your description, and confirm the pricing. Then click List Item. Your product is now live. Using ChatGPT together with eBay helps you create better listings faster and more effectively. To summarize, selling on eBay using ChatGPT involves generating a title and description, copying them into your listing, using AI for pricing and keywords, and completing your listing with optimized details. This helps improve visibility and increase your chances of selling. And that's how to sell on eBay using ChatGPT. This approach saves you time and helps you create listings that are more professional and optimized for search. But here's the key, don't rely blindly on AI. Use it as a tool, then refine the results based on real market data and your own judgment. The best sellers combine automation with awareness, they check competitors, adjust pricing, and continuously improve their listings. If you use ChatGPT the right way, it won't just make things easier, it can actually make you a better seller. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.